What you don't know, there's a physical custom mechanical keyboard store finally opened at JB, just located in Palladium. Various of mechanical keyboard for you to try it, like size of the keyboard, weight and color. It even have LCD screen on it, so cool. You can build the keyboard by yourself or ask for assist from the staff there. 100 types of switches for you to choose, like clicky, linear and tactile. They have lots of design desk nuts like anime, minimalist and more. Any style you can find from here. Accessories for keyboard can be found in here too. Find your own keycaps that match with your keyboard and setup. Discover the artisan keycaps which have unique designs, perfect for highlighting specific keys. Also, you can pair a wrist rest that helps relieve tension in the wrist. So quick, build yourself a keyboard today at Keebs Project in JB.